All right, ladies and gentlemen, today's objective is that all students will be able to convert a percent to a decimal and a fraction in simplest form. Now, this is a pretty challenging objective, but I think you all can handle it. Let's take a look at how to convert a percent to a decimal. This is actually pretty easy, and the method we're going to show you is very similar to converting a decimal to a percent, but in reverse. First, you want to simply move the decimal 2 places to the left. Your second step is to drop the percent sign, and you just converted a decimal to a decimal from a percent. So let's try some practice here. First, we have a couple practice. 41 and 54/100ths percent. Now, how would you convert that? That's correct. Follow those steps. Move the decimal 2 places to the left, drop the percent sign, and we get the value 4,154/10,000ths. How about 78%? Excellent. 78/100ths. We're just moving the decimal 2 places to the left. You could also put this number over 100 because percent actually means per 100. So 78 over 100 would be 78/100ths, written just like that. The next one. Okay. First of all, you're moving that decimal 2 places to the left and realize that that 3 is repeating. So when we simplify it, we have 3/10 and then put the repeating sign over the 3. And this next one, as a decimal, looks like this. And if we simplify that decimal, we're going to put, since the 6 is repeating, we're going to put the line over the very first 6 rather than putting a 6 in front of it. And the next one, how would you convert 488% or 488.7% into a decimal? That's right. Just move that decimal 2 places to the left. You got it. Moving on. Now this is a little bit more challenging, but converting a percent to a fraction. The first thing we're going to do is, again, simply move that decimal 2 places to the left and drop the percent sign, and we just created ourselves a decimal value of the percent. The next thing, if there's ever a 0 at the end, you would just drop that 0. So we're going to drop that 0. And now instead of 30/100ths, we have 3/10ths. Then write or find the place value of the last digit. So here the place value is the 10ths place, as you can see to the right here. And that's going to be the denominator, a 10. Next, the number behind the decimal will be the numerator. So we have 3 in this case, 3/10ths, and we write it just like that, 3/10ths. Then we always want to make sure that that fraction is in simplest form. And in this case, 3/10ths is already in simplest form. Well, I hope this helped you out with converting a percent to a fraction and a decimal. See ya!